Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. Welcome if you are new, you know what to do. Click that subscribe button down below so you can join the squad. Come on in, bring it on in, all of that. So as you guys can tell by the title, I will be showing you how I am doing a sew-in on myself using these $35 TikTok bundles. And I caught them on sale. I will insert a screenshot of the price just for reference and just to show y'all that this is not clickbait. This is real life. So these are all the products that I will be using to install my hair today. And y'all bear with your girl because your girl do not be doing sew-ins on her head. I can do sew-ins and do other people's hair really good. But when it comes to my head, I'm lazy and ain't got the time to do it. So okay, I like to do braids on my hair, but when it comes to like sewing some hair in, baby, this is not my thing to do on myself. So I like the way these bundles are. I went ahead and washed it just because I will be installing it into my head and I want it to be fresh and I want to get the most out of this hair. So I got 14, 16, and 18. And y'all, the bundles I let air dry and then I went ahead to install the hair. Now, these are what my braids is looking like, a hot mess, but we got it on there. And I went ahead and went in with that weaving net just to make sure everything is laying flat as it can be. And then this is my little leave out that I will be leaving out. So you guys know, if you've seen previous videos of mine, I do have a pixie cut that's grown out and I will be getting another one, but for this reference I want my hair to be in a protective style and I don't want to keep on touching my hairs for a while. So I went ahead and just purchased these bundles, and right now you just see me doing the best install that your girl can do on her head at this moment. Okay, so I feel like when I use the weaving net helped me to be able to, you know, really get them bundles up in there, because if I would just use the braids how they was, them braids would have probably got loose over time and just looked at a mess over time. Okay, and this weaving net really helped me as far as like sewing it in and getting more of the hair put in there. Now I'm gonna be honest with y'all, these bundles was pretty thick, so I didn't really need to install 2.5 of them, which is what I only used. I only used 2.5, but I really could have just worked with the 2, but I was trying to squeeze in as much hair into my little bitty head as I could, okay, because I wanted like a really full look to this sew-in. And I knew when I got this that I wasn't really going to wear it in the wavy water wave texture that it came in. I wanted it to be like full, and I noticed that when you get deep wave or loose wave or water wave or Spanish curl and you straighten it, it's thick from the top to the bottom, and that's the look I was going for. So here we are, one bundle in, we have 2 bundles left, and then I'm going ahead and installing in the 16-inch. So like I said, I'm just moving on up to the top of the top of the top, and this hair is already thick. And you guys, if you wet this hair does go back to the texture, which I felt like was really, really good, because a lot of times when you straighten this hair, it don't go back to the original texture of the hair. But this, however, worked really good. For me to catch this, I was on TikTok just scrolling one morning and I saw these people on live, this company, and they was having like a sale for each bundle. And I don't know if it was because I purchased around the 4th of July or what, but yeah, I ended up getting all 3 of these bundles for $35, guys, and free shipping. And yeah, it just came for $35, and I was like, what? So I thought it was like a scam. I thought it was just crazy. So I was like, well, but it ended up coming fast. I got the hair in like 5 days, guys. So the hair is really soft actually, and you could leave it in this texture, but me, like I said, I wanted to go ahead and straighten it. So I will be using this Shimmer Lights and this Bio Silk, and I'm just going to be mixing the 2. One of them is a heat protectant, and then one of them is just like some oil to get your hair like really straight. And so I just went ahead and used that. I'm using these Remington flat irons. If you've been here before, you already know these are the OG flat irons on this channel, and they just work good. So I'm just going in with that, and I'm using the comb method, and I'm getting it straight. As y'all can see, I only need about like 3 press throughs with the flat iron. So I'm just going ahead and straightening it all, and then I will be kind of trimming it a little bit just to frame it to my face, and just so the curls can kind of like be in layers a little bit. So I'm only gonna be cutting like a little bit of this hair, which I feel like that's the reason why I might have got a little shedding from this hair. But other than that, the hair really don't have any shedding. I don't really have no problem with this. I'm not really getting no tangles or nothing with this hair. And you guys, this hair is originally $180+. So for me to catch that on that $35 sale, baby, that did what it needs to do. So I am happy with that, baby. And yeah, y'all, this is not a scam. This is real life. These bundles did what they needed to do, especially for them to be $35. Like, this is really good. I don't know if they was running that sale because they trying to get out there more, because I haven't heard of this company before. But yeah, I ended up getting these bundles on sale, and a lot of times when I go back to their live and stuff, I see that they be having a lot of people on there that's saying they have really good reviews and really good hair. So I just went ahead and took a chance. I hopped on the live, caught it on the live sale, and ended up doing this style with these $35 bundles, y'all. And I'm telling y'all better go ahead and go get y'all some bundles from that TikTok shop, because they be having the tea up over there, okay? The real tea. So the hair is baby hair, or it's sunrise hair. It's one of them, because it's two different names on there, but I will leave it down below if I can find it, I guess. But y'all, so good. And I just went ahead and like pressed my hair a little bit so it can like lay down flat in there. And like I told y'all, I'm trimming a little bit of it for the layers and everything, but we're not gonna do too much. And we're just doing a little curl at the front, a little bumpity bump, and a little bumpity bump at the back. And then yeah, we just gonna do that to both sides, y'all. And I was just really impressed with how this hair was turning out. It was holding the curl, and till this day it has held a curl. And your girl only had to recurl it once since I installed it, because I wasn't just gonna keep curling this hair every day. That's not real life for me. Like, some of y'all might want to get up every day and curl y'all hair, but me personally, I'm not getting up every day and curling this hair. It keeps the curl, honestly. Like, I wrap my hair and I unwrap it, and then it keeps the little wave and a little wave curl to it. So I'm good with this. I will go back and like press my leave out, but I don't even like do too much of that. So that's why I try to wrap it the best way. And as y'all can see, them curls are staying and they doing what they need to do. I added a little pump it up spritz to it, just a little bit, y'all. And then yeah, everything is just coming together, and y'all can see my hair is laying flat with the bundles, and I just like it. I just love it. And you can't even really tell that my hair is a little bit darker than the hair, but it is a little bit darker than the hair, y'all. But I just like the way everything is just coming together. A little $35 bundles, and they are full, guys. They are really full. So I'm just saying, go ahead and check them out. Go check them out, because this is not clickbait. This is not a scam. And girl went ahead and combed out them curls, and as y'all can see, the curls looking good. And yeah, I just really like it. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See y'all in the next one.